Want to protect your online privacy, secure your internet connection, and access restricted content on your Android phone? A VPN, virtual private network, encrypts your data and hides your location, making it essential for privacy and security. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a VPN on Android. Let's get started. A VPN, virtual private network, allows you to browse the internet securely by encrypting your data and hiding your real IP address. It's especially useful when using public Wi-Fi, bypassing geo-restrictions, or preventing websites from tracking your activity. Setting up a VPN on Android is simple and can be done either through a VPN app or manually using built-in settings. The easiest way to set up a VPN is by installing a VPN app from a trusted provider like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark, ProtonVPN, or TotalAV. I already have a subscription to TotalAV, so I will install that app. Start by opening the Google Play Store, tap on the search icon, and then search for your preferred VPN provider. I will search for TotalAV. Tap Install. Once installed, open the app, sign in with your account, and follow the setup instructions. Allow all the permissions. Most VPN apps will automatically configure everything for you, allowing you to connect with just one tap. You can select a server location to change your IP address, helping you access restricted websites or improve security when browsing online. If you prefer to set up a VPN manually, Android has a built-in VPN feature that lets you add a VPN connection without an app. To do this, open the Settings app on your phone and go to the Network and Internet section. Look for the option labeled VPN and tap on it. If you don't see it, try searching for VPN in the Settings search bar. Tap Add VPN, then enter the details provided by your VPN provider, including the VPN name, type, server address, and authentication credentials. Once everything is entered correctly, tap Save, then select the VPN and tap Connect to start using it. If you want your VPN to stay connected automatically, some VPN apps and Android settings allow you to enable an always-on VPN mode. To activate this, go to your VPN settings, tap on your VPN connection, and toggle Always-on VPN. This ensures that your VPN remains active whenever your phone is online, preventing accidental disconnections. Some Android versions also include a Block Connections Without VPN feature, which stops all internet activity unless the VPN is connected, adding an extra layer of security. If your VPN connection is slow or unstable, try switching to a different VPN server inside the app. Most VPN services offer multiple servers in different countries, so selecting a closer location can improve speed. You can also check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to ensure it's stable. Restarting your phone can sometimes help resolve connectivity issues as well. If you ever need to turn off your VPN, go back to the VPN settings and tap Disconnect. If you're using a VPN app, simply open the app and tap the Disconnect button. Setting up a VPN on Android is a great way to stay safe online, protect your privacy, and access blocked content. Whether you use a VPN app for quick setup or configure it manually, these steps will help you keep your internet secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next one.